Hey everybody, we're doing a review and demo of this pizza oven that I recently received, and if you are looking to do pizzas from home and make them custom, this is a great tool to use because it works really well and it eliminates the need for going to a pizza restaurant or ordering delivery, and it's also a great excuse to get together with friends or family and have a pizza making party because that's exactly what we did with our friends. And this was my first time actually trying my hand at making pizzas using a pizza oven, and it worked great. So let's get into the details of the unboxing. Once you take this out of the box, the first step is you're going to insert the knob control into the side of the oven, and that knob control is great. It's a one press button knob that makes it really easy to turn. Number two is you insert the pizza baking stone that comes with this kit, which goes into the bottom of the pizza oven. This is what you're going to put your pizzas on. Number three, I connected it to the propane tank, and then you actually ignite it and adjust the flame. And from that point on, you are ready to make your pizzas. Now, what we did is we went and got pizza dough at the store, and also got our toppings. So we got pepperoni and mushrooms and cheese and sauce and a few other toppings as well. And we basically did some trial and error. Our first couple of pizzas, they turned out to be a little bit burnt, but that was our fault because we had it a little too close to the back edge. You want to make sure that you keep your pizzas center, and I would recommend making the pizzas about 10 inches altogether. This kit calls for making pizzas that are 12 inches, but just to be safe, we made ours around 10 inches. And once we got into a pretty good flow of making these, they worked great. And it doesn't take long to get this oven heated up. In fact, after you ignite the flame, you just wait for 15 minutes because the inside of this oven is going to get to about 900 degrees. And after that point, you can start putting pizzas in there, and you want to make sure that you turn them about every 10 to 15 seconds because within 60 seconds, these pizzas are going to be ready to go. So you're going to be able to get these in and out real fast and get people fed real fast. And so with this kit, you're going to receive the pizza oven, you're going to receive the pizza stone, which is really solid material, by the way. You can tell that stone is going to last a long time. You're going to get a perforated pizza peel, which is important to have, a sharp pizza roller cutter, also important to have, and an outdoor portable waterproof bag. The pizzas were delicious. We loved making them. It was really fun to do, but I can also think of other places that you can bring this because it is portable. So we used ours in the backyard for a party with friends, but you can actually take this on the beach or out into the wilderness or on hikes with you or to the park and have a pizza party out there. So it's a lot of fun. What's important to me with a pizza maker is one that does get hot on the inside, but to the point where the flames are not igniting your pizza, and that's not what happens with this oven. The flames stay towards the back and the top, so as long as you don't overload it with toppings, it's going to be just fine. I would recommend thinner the crust, the better. So the thinner the dough, the better, I should say. So when you're making that dough, you want to make sure that it's really thin and that you don't overload it with toppings, and then it's going to be a lot easier to take in and take out using that device that I mentioned that this comes with, the perforated pizza peel. So we made several pizzas on this particular evening, and we were really impressed with this pizza oven. As I mentioned, you're talking 900, 950 degrees in 10 to 15 minutes of preheating, and then you can have your delicious pizza in 60 seconds. This is easy handling with that one-touch ignition device and the regulator on the side, which makes it easy for you to adjust the fire power. So you can make this super hot, or you can make it more medium or low level type of flames, depending on how you want to make your pizzas. So 2 thumbs up for sure. It's not just pizzas, by the way. You can also use this to bake bread, roast vegetables, steak, chicken rolls, and more. And as I mentioned, it's convenient. You can take it with you for family gatherings, campsites, picnics, etc. And we are definitely going to have more pizza making parties in the future. This was a lot of fun and it was delicious. And now we can cut back on our pizza deliveries. We can actually just make it from home. It's a wonderful tool to have. Hope this helps, and thanks for watching.